Hey guys, Rob Shukai for 3 Storm Fitness. I want to give you a quick update for those interested in power rack pulley systems. I guess we'll just call them the cheap kind. As you know, if you've watched this channel, I have Spud pulley systems. I got their Econo low-high pulley that I bought, I think it's been 2 years now, maybe a year and a half. And as you know, as you might know, I'm a personal trainer, so I use these things all day, every day. And so they get pretty beat up. As I mentioned in a previous video a couple months ago, the pulleys that I got, the cables rather, were starting to fray. I don't know how well you can see that. Lighting sucks. But both of them are really chewed up, and they seem to be getting more frayed at an exponential rate. What I read is those things, once they start going, they're pretty much done. And it kind of became unusable. You get pieces of strands of wire everywhere, and people cutting their hands, changing them out. So I got these, ordered these, I think they're vinyl. I think it's vinyl. I don't know what it is. It's spinal coated cables from Spud, which seem to be holding up pretty well. So that's one thing I did. Another thing I did, unfortunately, once the pulley started to go too. One of them's still good, still going well, but the other one just got completely beat up on the inside. If you can see this thing, just started coming. This part started protruding, and I could probably hammer back in, shave it off, and everything. But by the time I'm done doing all that, I've just basically wasted time, as far as I'm concerned, anyway. So what I decided to do was just go to the hardware store, like a lot of folks have suggested on YouTube. Just go to the hardware store. Bought myself a pulley for about $10. I just connected it to a carabiner that I had, and actually this is a Spud. I talk about these endless loops a lot. I use them for everything. Just grab one of these loops, throw it over the pull-up bar, and now I got myself a real smooth pulley for significantly cheaper. So it was really, I'm not trying to say they're better necessarily. You know, only time will tell how well this one lasts, or how long that one lasts, but I'm satisfied with a $10 repair in the process. I can keep my pulley system alive. Just nice to know that I can set those up. I got some ideas for the future. One thing I noticed while I was in there, I was talking to the guy helping me out, and he said that, well, first of all, the cable. So this cable, 6-foot cable from Spud, is about $30. The cable itself, if you were to buy it, it runs coated and everything. The raw cable, I think it's technically called he said it's called aircraft cable, I believe is what he said. It's like 60 cents a foot, 69 cents maybe, for that same thickness in with a coating on top of it. So, you know, I could get that. I could get like a wire clamp and make my own loops. By the loop, I mean this part here. Thing is, I have done that before, and eventually they come off, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. I'd like to get this done, this little part here. Whatever they do, from what I understand, it's like a machine that does that. I don't know this stuff too well, but the dude said that there's a place down the road where they have a machine. He's almost certain they would do that for me. So, of course, got the idea. Not that I'm looking to like go into competition with Spud or anything. I love Spud equipment, as you guys know, but there's a lot of stuff, a lot of custom links I would like to make in the future for, you know, a belt squat setup, maybe with the hip, like a cable attachment belt squat. I'd like to set it up so that, like, you know, I have the stack over here and the pull down on this side. That way I can do true vertical pull downs where the weight's over here. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I won't get into the details, but as convenient and relatively inexpensive as the we'll just call it the Spud pulley configuration is, it does have its limitations. So a lot of those limitations could be fixed, possibly on the cheap, depending on what this company would do for me, with kind of custom links. So you know, I could have a stack of cables back here, strung up to this pull-up bar, and I could have platforms here, the cable running up underneath here, hook it up, and do my belt squats with the cable rather than having the weight hang down below. I don't know, I just think it'd be kind of cool. A few other ideas I had with that, just they're all theory, but something I might chew on over the next couple months if I make a visit over to that shop and see what they would do for me there. If you guys, I'll let you know how it goes if I end up doing it, and I don't know, maybe start selling them, or maybe not. Anyways, maybe there's a reason that I'm not aware of that Spud charges $30 for them. So, I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on the Pulley systems, potential limitations, but easy workarounds. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. You guys have a great day. Subscribe to this channel. Bye.